Very good morning to all of you. Welcome in Ravi Sir Super 50 YouTube channel. This video is mainly for the RRB PO Mains 2023 preparation because yesterday the IBPS was declared the RRB PO prelims result. I am very happy that Super 50 students also cleared the prelims exam. Okay, they are doing well and best wishes for you guys also. You guys belong from anywhere, either my offline student or my online student or my YouTube student. Okay, the main thing, the first thing, because I am going to tell you the 5 major things, same thing in English as well as in Hindi also, mix. Okay, first thing, just try to manage the time because there is no sectional timing in RRB PO mains. Means you have to fix a timing for current affairs and computer and either English or Hindi because all these three sections are tick mark sections. It means you have to choose the section which is give you a good marks, either it is GA or it is computer or it is English oblique Hindi. Rest is reasoning and maths. Practice more and more puzzle, analytical reasoning, okay, as well as miscellaneous questions like reverse logs, okay, coded base inequalities, and little bit tougher and tougher questions, data sufficiency, okay, and blood relation based puzzle, because in reasoning they will just twist the questions. In maths, just practice more and more Caslets, data sufficiency, okay, quantity 1, quantity 2, DI, arithmetic based questions. And in GA, approximately just try to cover it up 4 months, April, May, June, July, as well as August. April, May, June, July, August is enough. If April, May, June, July, August, if all 3 months was completed, then go for the March, okay, and just revise little bit static questions also, because all students, those who cleared the mains, I will give them coaching for the interview, online and offline. My number is 7503235358. In maths and reasoning, just try to leave the questions, those who are the tougher questions, and just try to choose the easier ones. GA is according to the pattern of the exam, the examiner will little bit twisting the questions. It means 20 questions are doable in GA, 20 to 25 questions, and in computer try to clear the sectional cutoff. So it's good for all the students. Just try to go for the choose the question first of all and avoid the negative marking also. It means time management is compulsory. Upcoming days, just try to manage the sections either in English or oblique Hindi, computer, reasoning, maths and GA. Just distribute the timings and all, and according to this manage your sections. Same thing in Hindi. जिनका भी कल RRB PO मेंस हुआ है, आप सबसे पहले टाइम स्लॉट बांट लीजिए क्योंकि RRB PO मेंस में टाइम स्लॉट अवेलेबल नहीं होगा. जिनका भी कल प्रीलिम्स का रिजल्ट हुआ है, आप मेंस की प्रैक्टिस कंप्यूटर, GA अपने अकॉर्डिंग टाइम दे करके कीजिए. मैथ, रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश, GA मार्च टू लेकर के अगस्त तक कर लीजिए रिवीजन, स्टैटिक कर लीजिए. कंप्यूटर भी रिवाइज कीजिए और मैथ्स और रीजनिंग में क्वेश्चन चूज करना जानिए जैसा कि मैंने बताया है. और आपका मीन्स क्लियर होता है तो आप मेरे नंबर पे 7503235358 वाले नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, मैं आपको इंटरव्यू से रिलेटेड चीज़ों के बारे में भी बताऊंगा. मुझे आप लोगों पे पूरा भरोसा है, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. इसी बीच RRB IBPS क्लर्क का भी पेपर है तो आप लोग साइड बाय साइड प्रीलिम्स के एक टेस्ट दे सकते हैं, लेकिन आप मेंस को अवॉइड मत कीजिए. मेंस को साथ लेके चलिए और किसी भी तरह का कोई भी इशू हो मेंस और इंटरव्यू के रिलेटेड RRB PO तो आप मुझे मेरे नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप या यूट्यूब पे टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं. माय नंबर इज 7503235358. बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर RRB PO मेंस प्रिपरेशन, and if there is any query, either you are from anywhere in India, just text me. I am always there for you guys. Thanks. धन्यवाद.